Hi and welcome to the Merge Tech. Today we'll discuss should you use PHP, Python or NodeJS. Now all of these three are very popular programming languages, and PHP was all-time popular. It has been used for so many years. For around 20 years we have been using PHP. It's been powering, and around 70% of the websites are built using PHP. It's quite popular, and recently Python and Node.js have gained a lot of popularity. Now you might be confused whether to use PHP, Python or Node.js. I have to tell that as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, they all stay together so well, and when you learn HTML, then you learn CSS, then JavaScript, how you learn in order. In the same way, PHP is also like inbuilt technology. PHP is easy to work for beginners, and it's very fun to code with PHP because you use HTML like tags and it really matches up very well. And then you get to learn MySQL with it. It's very nice. Now let's come to Python. Python is very popular, as you know, and the syntax where you need indentation, and it's quite nice and short like that. There is not much braces and all this confusing stuff. And Python, one major benefit of using Python is for the backend, as you have to use PHP, Python or Node.js. Using Python will enable you to use machine learning libraries, as there are plenty of libraries for Python, and Python is quite good in machine learning. So if your project thinks to use machine learning and image recognition and many other features, then you should probably go with Python for the backend. And you can go for PHP if you want to save some cost, because PHP hosting is quite cheap. It comes by default with all the hosting packages. But Node.js or Python hosting, they are a little bit expensive. Now coming to Node.js, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime which was made in 2009, which allows you to run JavaScript in the backend in the computer as like a standalone program. Now Node.js is single-threaded, so it's quite fast, and it is very good if you want to handle a large number of requests to your website, or you want to create something like real-time chat or all these features. Node.js is quite better. And if you're thinking not to learn some other programming language, you just want to do with JavaScript, the backend, the front end and everything, then you should highly go with Node.js, as it's also getting very popular among web developers. So the takeaway from this video is, for PHP you can use that if you want something cheap solution, quick and fast with MySQL, and you can use Python if you want to use something related to machine learning for your website, and then go with Node.js if you just want to use JavaScript and you love JavaScript very much. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and like, comment and subscribe.